Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Saiful Amri bin Muhammad Abidin. My matric card number 180504109. So, for your information, internet is very important in our life right now. The internet has become a major source of information for many people nowadays. Social networking websites are a way of sharing information to get an information and to strengthening a brand image. So, people nowadays mostly depends on the internet on their daily life. They now they now spend a lot of time to surfing the internet. I have been using internet for study, using a social media, or playing a mobile game. Based on my experience as a student, mostly I use the internet to find information to complete my assignment. So even today, many people in the world know about current issues in our country or in the world through social media. So that's why internet bring more good than harm in our life. So today I want to talk and I want to prove that using internet bring more good than harm or bad things for our life. So my first point of why internet bring more good than harm is based on my research from blogthinking.com article. They had shown the benefits of internet. The first one is the internet is good for learning. Access to the internet can increase the number of graduates at all universities. It has been proven that students with broadband access are 8% more likely to complete their courses than those who do not have access to internet at home. From Gabriela Gonzalez. Uh, Next, in the last 5 years, the number of students taking online courses has shot up to 96%. And the large number of courses available online, whether free or requiring payment, offer many possibilities for study to all kinds of people, whether they can only study via distance learning or if the degree they want to study for does not exist where they live. The second is the internet is good for communication. Why? In the past, in this article, in the past 10 years, Skype has connected more than 300 million people with each other worldwide. Overall, these people have talked for around 2.6 million years with other people, regardless of the distance between them. From Gabriela Gonzalez. And it is also a good place to meet your next partner. And in fact, this aspect has increased so much that between 2005 and 2012, 35% of the couples marrying in the United States had met online. Likewise, divorce and separations are lower for those people who met their spouse through the internet. And the third of and the third, based on my research from blogthinking.com, is the internet is good for the economy. Why? The internet creates jobs, and for every job done is in various industries, jobs are needed to support the whole company, and it also provides employment opportunities to the community. And the internet has made many things change, and in the search for formula to reduce piracy, the Netflix effect has come about. Something too simple, whereby if people have a legal place where they can pay to watch movies, view series, and listen to music, piracy will fall. According to one study on the research, 40% of people download less pirate copies if they can use a service such as Netflix and similar sites. So for the satisfaction, For the example, I take from Amy David. He had share ways to become a responsible internet user, because if people become a responsible internet user, we can get many the good sides from the internet than the bad side. So he had shared the first point is enjoy the internet together. Why? Because this technology is a great tool and can help you as a family to have fun by connecting with your children and even other family members. The second is you can take some moment to share funny pictures or playing online game together from Amy David. He had said these things. The second point is guide children ways of identifying trustworthy people online. You should accompany your children as they go online to help them know the kind of people to interact with, know and trust in real life. You can also make friends. You can also make friends with them online to learn more about their activities. Familiarizing yourself with the websites and application they use in a way them to recognize them online and offline, which can motivate them to trust you with any information. For visualization, we can visualize the advantage or benefit and disadvantages the use of the internet. So advantage of the internet or benefit of the internet. One, people can find information on almost any imaginable subject. Tons of resources can be found through the search engine in minutes. Second, entertainment for everyone. Most of us love being on our laptop, smartphones, and iPads. The internet is the big reason behind us spending so much time on these gadgets. Thirdly, inexhaustible education. For example, students can gain readily available help for their homework online. People can teach and learn in a worldwide classroom nowadays. That is advantages of using internet. So the disadvantages of the internet is first one, internet addiction is detrimental to not only physical fitness but also mental health. Secondly, internet users' privacy are being exploited from deep. And lastly is spend less time with people in real life because lack of face-to-face interaction and communication. In fact, it can result in a decline in social capability. In a social capability. So, for the conclusion, as a conclusion, we need we need to use the internet facilities with properly so that we do not abuse the use of the internet with useless things. We can use the internet to get some information, work, study, and for business. So, in fact, that internet bring more advantages or benefit for everyone for now and in the future if we use this platform with properly. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.